everyone, welcome to Tangle in Talents. I'm back again with another cool activity. I guess you all must be waiting for my new video. Do you know when is Father's Day? It's on 21st of June 2020. So have you decided how to make special for your dad? I guess not. Don't worry, I'm going to give you some awesome ideas which will surely amaze your dad. Try out any of these ideas and make the best out of it. How about making his favorite dish? Is he a sweet tooth? Then he would be glad if you bake a cake for him. Of course, with your mom's help, you must be having a great collection of pictures with him. So you can even make a slideshow with him.
Papa, mere papa.
Or you can impress him with reasons jar. I'm sure there would be endless reasons to love him. Jot down some on small chits and fill the jar. Or you can make Father's Day card. Let's not keep you waiting and start over. So for this Father's Day card activity, we need one A4 paper folded into half. I have taken chart paper and one color pencil box and one marker, and you're going to draw with pencil, but I will show you directly with the marker. We all will draw our own father. So I'm going to draw my father on this card, and I will teach you some different type of eyes, nose on this paper, on these small papers. So first we will learn how to make different eyes. You can make round eyes with eyeball. You can make bumpy line eyes like this. And you can make oval shape eyes. For my dad, I want to select round eyes. So I'm starting with the eyes. Leave one finger space in between the eyes and make the eyeball. Now there are different type of eyebrows. There are round eyebrows, triangle, pointed eyebrows, and you can make straight eyebrows. I'm selecting this one, round eyebrows. Now we will see different type of nose. You can make L-shaped nose like this, or you can make C-shape, a round nose, or you can even make U-shaped nose like this. So I'm taking this U-shape. It's not too deep, it's a bit U-shape like this. You can take any one of this. Now we will choose the smiley. Which smiley you want? I will make a closed smiley and open smile like this. You can make open mouth. So I'm going to select open mouth. Now we will decide the face cut. If your dad has a round face, you can make a round face cut. If your dad has square shape, you can make a square shape like this. Or you can even make an oval shape. So I'm going to make oval shape. If your dad has a mustache, then you have to decide which kind of mustache he has. If he has thick one like this, or a thin mustache, or a mustache with beard. So I'm going to take this one for my dad. My dad has mustache like this. Now mustache is done, so it's time for beard. You can make a beard like this, and then you can color it, or you can make a thin beard like this. So it's up to your father. You have to think which type of beard your father has. But my father doesn't have any beard, so I'm not going to make beard. Now it's time for hair. You can make, if your father has curly hair, you can make curls. If your father has spikes, you can make like this. Or you can make hair like this. I am going to make my dad's hair like this. He has hair like this and some hair like this. And we have to make the ears over here. Now it's time for the body. You can make a square shape for the body. You can make a round. So let's see how I'm going to make my father's body. I'm going to make a round shape. And I will make the hands from here, between the face and the body. Go straight, and then one more line, and make a round. Go straight, one more line, and then make a round and a thumb. My dad wears full sleeves shirt with the tie, so I'm going to make 2 triangles and a tie. Over here you can make a banner saying Happy Father's Day. Now it's time to color. So one thing that you don't need to make these. This was for instructions that you can make like this. But you have to directly make your card on your A4 paper. And you have to think how does your dad look like. Now I'm choosing blue for the shirt. Light blue. Oops. it's time to write inside our card. And you can take different color markers. So you will start with saying Dear Papa or Dear Daddy, whatever you call your dad. You can write whatever you want to tell your dad to make him feel special, like you helped me in, you can write anything. I'm writing in my homework. And in the end, you can write whatever your dad called you with, like from your princess or from your hero, from your lovely daughter. And you can write your name here. And don't forget to write the date in the end over here, so that when your father looks at this card after a few years, he should know when did you give this to him. Your card is ready. So that was all for today. I hope you are going to surprise your dad with this amazing card, and let me know his response after seeing the card in the comment section. You can also follow me on Instagram, and you can find my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description below. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.